Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Wa asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lahu wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Fa a'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Qsharebd. Qsharebd is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson number 23. In this lesson we will try to discuss about the inna and its sisters. Also we will try to clarify among these confusing words similar to inna, like inna, anna, an, inna, in, anna, is, and isa. So sometimes we face confusion what is the meaning and when to use, how to use. So let's discuss the inna. Inna is harf of nasab. Harf of nasab means after the word of inna, the word will be in accusative case, or the last letter will take fatha. That's why it is called harf of nasab. Inna, and there are some similar particles that follow the same role, the same principle, same rules like inna. That's why these are called inna and its sisters, and these are the things: inna, anna, ka'anna, lakinna, la'alla, and laita. These are the groups this group, all the particles of this group perform the same role in the sentence. Inna means indeed, anna means that, ka'anna means is like or like that, lakinna means but, la'alla means perhaps, and laita means if only or would that. Inna means verily, indeed, or certainly. There are some rules of using this inna. What is the rule? What are the rules? The number one is the inna comes at the beginning of the sentence. This is the rule number one. And number two, the word just after inna will be a noun or a pronoun, never be a verb. That means after inna a verb cannot be come. Number three, the noun just after inna will be accusative case. This is the main role of inna, that inna makes the next noun or word accusative or a state of nasab. And fourth is predicate of inna will be nominative case. And inna sometimes mean that. If it means that, then inna in that case will take a verb qala before inna, not after inna. Before inna, this is the only verb qala can be used, and in that case the meaning of inna will be that. These are the five rules for inna. For anna, it is also perform the same roles like inna, but there are little changes. Inna like anna like inna emphasize the meaning of the sentence, but inna only sit in the middle of the sentence, not at the beginning of the sentence. And anna can take any verb, not like inna, which only accept the qala verb. Inna only accept qala verb, but anna can take any verb. This is the little changes with inna. Now we will see some example, then it will be more clearer. Number one, verily Allah is most forgiving, most merciful. Inna Allaha ghafurun rahimun. The inna makes this Allahu Allah, because this is nasab particle, so it will be nasab state. Allah. Say, indeed, all bounty is in the hand of Allah. He grants it to whom He wills. Indeed, kul inna, say indeed. Kul inna al-fazla biyadi Allahi yutihi man yasha'a. Here the inna, the kul verb comes before this inna. And after inna, this noun al-fazla becomes accusative case. So here the only verb kul is used before inna. I swear that Salim is a liar. Wallahi inna Saliman kazzabu. So here the inna is used to express that, to emphasize the event that is confirmed that he is a liar. Wallahi inna Saliman kazzabu. Number 2 example for anna. I came to know that the student is hardworking. Araftu means I came to know, I knew, or I understood. Araftu anna, I came to know that, anna, that. At-taliba mustahidun, the student is hardworking. I saw him, but he is busy. This but, lakinna is used here. Ra'aituhu wa lakinnahu mashgulun. Ra'aitu means I saw. Who means him. I saw him. And lakinna, and but lakinnahu, he is mashgulun, but he is busy. The weather is good. Al-jawu jamilun. The weather is good. But if we want to say I hope the weather is fine, in this situation the la'alla is used. La'alla is the same group of inna. La'alla al-jawwa jamilun. The al-jawu becomes al-jawwa, accusative case. Now see one more example. The teacher is sick. Al-mudarrisu muridun. But if you want to say I am afraid of that the teacher is sick, then la'alla is comes. La'alla is used where there is a fear or hope, this type of sentence. I am afraid of that the teacher is sick. La'alla al-mudarrisa muridun. I am afraid of that the teacher is sick. The house is beautiful. Al-baytu zamilun. But if you want to say if only the house is beautiful, then laita comes in. Laita means if only. Laita al-baita zamilun. Al-baytu will be al-baita because this is the same group of inna. The boy is small. Al-aladu sagirun. But if you want to say is like the boy is small, then ka'anna comes in. Ka'anna means is like. Ka'anna al-walada. This is also from al-waladu becomes al-walada. Ka'anna al-walada sagirun. Is like the boy is small. This is the way the inna and its group particles is used. Now we will see the difference between anna and in. Anna and an. Anna and an the same meaning, that, but sometimes anna used for two, but mostly both are same meaning, that. Then what is the difference? Anna is used where the event is confirmed. There is no doubt. Like he knew that, he remembered that, he heard that, he read that. Means it is emphasizing that the event is confirmed. There is no gap, there is no doubt. So anna is used in that type of verb or sentence. It is the sister of inna, and it is used with the verb that confirm the action. Like he mentioned that the Arabic language is beautiful. Here he is confirming that the language is beautiful. Zakara anna al-lugata Al-Arabiyata Jamilatun. He mentioned that the Arabic language is beautiful. It is a confirmed event. We know that they lied. Na'ilamu annahum kajjabu. We know that they lied. So it is confirmed. We know means we already know. It is confirmed. So in that situation, the anna is used. But an is used where there is a hope or doubt or desire or wish. Like he loved or he wished. It is used with the verb that indicate doubt, desire, fear, or some other type of emotion. Like it also can be used to command someone, and in that case, that command must be carried out. Only then the anna is used, can be used. Like he wants to study. He wants. This is his desire that he wants to study, but he may not study. It is not confirmed. So anna is used here. Yuridu an yadrasa, yadrusa. The yadrusa it is after an, it will be a accusative case. He wants to study. Yuridu an yadrusa. The verb will be subjunctive mode or accusative. We order that he fight in the path of God. This is the commanding sentence. We order, and if the next sentence is confirmed that it must be carried out, then an can be used. We order that amarna an. We order that he fight in the path of God. He fight you katilu. You katilat. This is the subjunctive mode. You means present tense verb for he. You qatila fi sabilillahi. He fight in the path of God. So he wants to study. This is his desire. He may not study. So there is a doubt. So an is used, and the next sentence that used to command someone, and the action must be carried out. So an is used. This is the difference between anna and an. Anna is used for confirm event. An is used where there is a doubt or desire or wish or fear. In that case, we can use an. Now we will see the difference between isa, is, and in. All are the same meaning, if or when. Then what is the difference? Isa describe future confirm event, and it follows past tense verb. Whereas in describe the future event where there is a doubt, and it follows present tense verb with jazm, sukun on the last letter. And is describe the past event that already happened, and it follows the present tense verb. These are the key difference among these three particles. Now we'll see in some example. Isa example, and when if fear comes. Fa iza za. Iza za means when comes. Al zawfu, the fire, fear, the fear. Fa iza za al zawfu, when fear comes. You see them looking at you. Rawaituhum yansuruna ilaika. You see them looking at you. So here the event is future. When fear comes, and fear has not come yet. When comes, but here the za'a, izaza, the verb is past tense verb. Fa izaza al zawfu rawaitahum yansuruna ilaika. So here the iza is used in this type of confirmed future event, but must be the past tense verb will be used after ija. Now we'll see in. In is used for future event as well, but if the event there is a doubt to happen, and the after in the verb will be present tense with sukun on the last letter. Like if you work hard, you will pass. In tastahid, this is the present tense verb with sukun. Then tanzah, tanzah means you will success, so it will be sukun here. So this verb is taking sukun with present tense form, and the future event that this event may not happen. If you work hard, you will pass, but there is a confusion. You work hard, but maybe you will not pass. So there is a confirm. The event is not confirmed. So in we can use in. But if you return to where we will return, wa in ta'udu na'ut, wa in, but if you return ta'udu, if you return, then we will return na'ut. This na'ut, when we return, there is a sukun, there is a present tense with sukun, and ta'udu, it was before ta'uduna. The nu has been dropped because to make this plural sentence majjum, it will be ta'udu. Wa in ta'udu na'ud. But if you return, we will return. So there is a confusion. He may not return. So we will use in. And for is is used for the past event that already happened, but it follows the present tense verb. In follows present tense verb, but there is a sukun on the last letter. But is also follows the present tense verb, but not sukun on the last letter. Like wa is yaidu kumullahu ihda at ta'ifataini, and when Allah promised you one of two groups. Here this is the past event. Allah promised you one of two groups, but the verb here yaidu is the present tense verb. Yaidu kumullahu ihda at ta'ifataini. So here there is no jazm like in the verb takes the sukun. Here verb is not taking sukun. So this is the difference between is and in and isa. That's it. End of lesson 23. Thank you for watching.